Hello you guys. I've been under the weather, that's why I haven't been able to post. But welcome and welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. Okay, so all of my recipes, if this is your first time, is quick, easy, delicious, and tasty. Now I realize the weather has been warming up and it's really nice outside. So I thought, why not have a delicious treat that's actually a little bit more healthier? Okay, let's get started. As always, like I said, my recipes are very easy, and I'm calling this a couscous salad. Now, you don't have to use this brand, but if you want, you can. And they have brands that have flavor to them, and I'm going to use about a half a cup. You'd be surprised how fast this recipe comes together. Okay. And, secret, very hot water. And I'm going to use about a half a cup of that too. So let me hurry up and get that in. Into that, just some carrots and some string beans. Okay, I think I'm adding just a little touch more of water. And that's it. Now, I'll cover this up and set this aside. Okay. Now, I usually have a lot of tasty treats, but I realized they may be putting them on a little bit of the pounds. So I said, let's do something a little bit more healthier. Please take a minute, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It costs absolutely nothing. It really helps the channel. I'm hoping 2023 be my year. Leave a comment. Let me know, what would you call this dish? So now I have some tomatoes. And I'm just going to cut this down length-size. And if you don't like any of these vegetables that I'm using, you can always, change them up to something you would like. Maybe carrots or sweet peas. But we love tomatoes. We love string beans and corn. But again, this dish lends itself to so many different vegetables that you can mix with it. Now, let's see. Look how fast it came together. So now I'm going to mix this in. And I know what you're thinking, where is the flavoring? 1 minute with that. Now, I'm just going to stir this up just a little bit. And it's so beautiful. Look how beautiful and tasty. Okay, so now I have a little bit of garlic. We love garlic. But I'm only going to use about a touch. And I would say a teaspoon. Now I'm going to use chicken bouillon. But if you wanted to keep this vegetarian, you certainly can. If you didn't want to use chicken. And since I'm using chicken bouillon powder, I'm not going to add any salt because this has enough. And I'm using about a half a pack. All the the ingredients will be in the description box below. Please leave a comment. Let me know, would you try this salad? And even though there's no meat in this, you can add meat if you want, or tuna. Okay. And again, just trying to do something a little bit more healthier. Okay, so let's get this all out on the bowl. Okay. This is a beautiful, and I'm calling it a couscous salad. I'm not quite sure what you would call it. Let me know in the comments. It really is delicious. I really hope you give it a try. And to top that off, you have to have something to drink. Let me see if I can get this in the camera too. Okay. And you're probably wondering, what is that? If you are, cranberry juice. Again, trying to be as healthy as I possibly can. I'm sure. So yeah, there we go. A delicious and tasty and healthy delicious eat. Until next time, enjoy. Again, take a minute, hit the subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know, did you like it? Leave a comment what I should have changed. Maybe you would have put another vegetable in or something else. So until next time, enjoy.